Only 10 days after her birth, something unexpected happened. Zainii suddenly became very sick. Her tiny body burned with fever. The house that was filled with joy quickly turned into a place of fear. Her parents rushed her to a hospital. Doctors admitted her immediately. Machines, medicines, and sleepless nights became part of their life. Her mother sat beside her bed, holding her tiny fingers. Her father stood quietly in the hospital corridor, whispering prayers. Every 2 weeks, the same fear returned: high fever, hospital admission, tests and injections. No parent ever imagines their newborn spending more time in hospitals than at home, but Zainii was fighting a battle that no one yet understood.